Hello traders, I hope you are doing well. So, today I am going to share with you easiest scalping strategy. First we open GBP USD in 5-minute time frame. This strategy we need rate of change indicator. We'll change some settings. If rate of change indicator break middle zero level line upward, then we take buy trade. Here is buy signal confirmation. We place buy trade here. Set stop loss previous candle low point. Set profit target 1:2. We won this trade. If rate of change indicator break middle zero level line downward, then we take sell trade. Here is sell signal confirmation. We place sell trade here. Set stop loss previous high point. Set profit target 1:2. We won this trade. If you like my strategy, please like and share this video and subscribe to ForexLia.